You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. In French, from French, this is essentially the French version of the name Karine in English. How do you pronounce it in French? Karine. 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 Therefore, in English, this would generally be pronounced, if you cannot pronounce French, Karine. Karine. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to learn more confusing names, here they are. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.